Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Ritika and today we are diving into the top 4 best WordPress header plugins. To the top 5 best WordPress directory plugins free for 2025. Let's dive in. Number 1, U-Listing. If you want to save your money, time and energy, then this plugin is for you. It has features like category and sorting management, payment option, search and filtering options, front-end submission and fully customized form of fields. The basic setup is free. Number 2, HivePress. HivePress comes with amazing ready-made WordPress themes with responsive designs, SEO-friendly, private messages, location-based listing, and many more features for quick creation of directories and marketplaces of classifieds. GeoDirectory. GeoDirectory is best plugin for Elementor, Gutenberg, and other builder support. As the name suggests, it uses geographic locations to set up online directory website. It has robust features that enables millions of listings and offer many customization options. Number 4, Name Directory. Name Directory is a great tool for creating glossary type pages on your website. You can customize and fine layout to tune with overall functionality. You can fully customize it, enabling search function, select number of columns, even translation is available. Number 5, Directorist. Directorist is a plugin which has its own premium themes which are sold separately. This plugin is exclusively used for different business purposes. This is a free plugin with numerous of practical and amazing features. So that's it for top 5 WordPress directory plugins free for 2025. The top 4 best WordPress header plugins. Let's get started. Number 1, WpCode. WpCode is easy, straightforward, and one of the best WordPress header plugins. It has a user-friendly interface, comes with support for Facebook, Pixel, Google Analytics, custom CSS, and more. It has options for adding any scripts or codes including JavaScripts and HTML. Number 2, Header Footer Post Injections. Header footer and post injections allows to insert custom code in the way you want before and after header and footer segments. Main purpose of this plugin is to inject code for several different plugins for different functionalities. Number 3, Header Footer Code Manager. It's one of the best header footer plugins. It provides easy to use interface for adding snippets to the header and footer on the website. In addition, unlimited number of scripts can be added. Number 4, Sticky Menu and Sticky Header. This plugin supports any element. You can make any element with class or ID to be sticky. You can easily position, customize, spacing, and enable stickiness on any particular screen. Sizes. It also provides admin bar aware mode. This is to check if user has admin toolbar on the page. So that's it for this video. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Buddy Developers for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.